Curitiba, 6 de novembro de 2021. Querida Dança, I have been asked to write a letter to you. How ironic is that? Você foi minha salvação e minha condenação ao mesmo tempo. And that's right. Memory. Sunday afternoons in the living room. Classic piano orchestra playing classical music. Cueca. Calor. Cueca, calor. Suor. Suor Londrina, sensual innocence. Exhilarating. Making one feel very happy. Animated or elated. Thrilling. Power. I felt empowered. Free/freedom. Connection with a higher power. Something holy, but then I scratched that. So it's more like sacred, yet unholy. Is that even possible? I don't know. I wrote down risky yet safe, hidden, clandestine, anarchist, subversive, thank you, fuck you, thank you, fuck you, thank you, fuck you, thank you, fuck you, relief, escape, nurturing, self-soothing, self-encounter, because it was me, myself, and I, ritual, which one can also say ritual, ecstasy, êxtase, sinceramente, Fábio Tavares. You have beautiful lines. That's what she said. She said, you have beautiful lines. I never worried about you. Okay, so Trisha Brown came up to me once at the end of a Strab show, and this is exactly what she said. Those are exactly her words. She said, I have beautiful lines, and she never worried about me.